Good morning, students. Today, our third day of this week. And yesterday, what we have discussed? Yesterday, we have discussed about the Bohr's model of an atom and about the distribution of electron in the various shells that we were discussing. So, we'll continue today with the same topic. Okay? So, distribution electron in various shells. Okay, distribution of electron in the various shell. So what is the rule? What is the rule? Yesterday only we have discussed. कितने शेल होते हैं? K, L, M and N शेल होते हैं. Okay, we have to read up to this much only. K, L, M and N. K 2 1 का होल स्क्वायर, 2 2 का होल स्क्वायर, 2 3 का होल स्क्वायर एंड 2 4 का होल स्क्वायर. 3 1 2 3 है क्या? What is this 1 2 and 3? Is the board clear to you? Is the blackboard clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 1 2 3 and 4. What is this?
Number of energy shells.
Number of energy shells. Okay, these are the number of energy shell. So like and 2n square. What is the total number of electron or energy of a shell? That is what 2n square. So that in this regard, K will contain how many? 2, L, 8, 18 and 32. This much we know. इतना हम लोग जानते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
अब आप लोग जरा एनसीईआरटी बुक खोल लीजिए. ऑल ऑफ यू ओपन योर एनसीईआरटी बुक. प्लीज ओपन योर एनसीईआरटी बुक. ऑल ऑफ यू आर हैविंग योर बुक विथ यू.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Open your book and read out what is written there. Read out what is written there. In the distribution of electron, what is written? Please read it out. कल हम लोग मास नंबर ये सब डिस्कस किए थे ना?
Yes, ma'am.
जब पढ़ो तो क्या है, रूल्स क्या है? जब पढ़िए व्हाट इज द रूल. रूल क्या कहता है कि जब भी हम लोग इलेक्ट्रॉन का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करते हैं, whenever we distribute electron, then what happen? We fill the required number of electron. Unless and until the first orbit is completely filled, we will not move on to the next orbit. ठीक है, ये ऑर्बिट पूरा भर जाएगा तब हम लोग शेल पे, ये फर्स्ट शेल जब भर जाएगा तब हम लोग सेकंड शेल में जाएंगे. ठीक है. This is not so that this has the capacity of holding 2 electrons. Then instead of holding 2 electrons, you will hold only 1 electron. You will put only 1 electron. Whatever is its maximum capacity, to that maximum capacity, you have to fill the electron. So if K shell has the capacity of holding 2, you will first fill 2 electrons here, then you will move to the next shell. Is it not so? They will put 1 electron and then you will move to the second shell. Okay, class? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
क्लियर है आपको? फिर यहाँ पर आता है ऑक्टेट रूल. कौन सा रूल आता है? ऑक्टेट रूल. So what does octet rule says? Octet rule says even though the shell has the capacity of holding more than 8 electron, even if the shell is having the capacity of holding more than 8 electron, but if it is the last shell, then you cannot hold more than 8 electron in that particular shell. बात समझ रहे हैं? अगर शेल की कैपेसिटी ज्यादा होल्ड करने की है लेकिन अगर वो आखिरी शेल है देन आप उसमें उतना इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं डाल सकते, क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑक्टेट रूल लास्ट शेल should not contain more than 8 electron. It may be less than 8 electron, but not more than 8 electron. Okay, class? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the main rule which you have to follow. Octet rule. Octet rule में क्या है? What is there in octet rule? If the shell is the last shell, if we are writing down the electronic configuration, and if that shell is the last shell, if that is the last shell, and if it is having, even if it is having the capacity of holding more electron, it cannot hold more electron, because the last shell should not contain more than 8 electron. It may be less, but not more than 8. Okay? Okay, everyone? अब इसके
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सबसे पहले हम लोग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टार्ट राइटिंग डाउन द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. ठीक है? हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम, लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरोन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन. फिलहाल हम लोग इतना देखते हैं. ठीक है? KLM 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. What is this? What is this number? What is this number?
Atomic number.
Now this is atomic
Atomic.
number. What is atomic number? What is atomic number?
Number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom of an element.
Number of electrons present in the nucleus of an, number of proton present in the nucleus of an atom of an element. Will it be electron also?
Proton.
Will it be electron?
No, ma'am.
Why?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Why?
Because electrons are always changing.
Because electrons are changing. Why electrons are changing? Why electrons are changing? Hello?
Because different element gain or lose electrons.
Because element lose or gain electron. Why do they lose or why do they gain?
To acquire
To be
stability.
neutral.
To acquire the stability, not to become neutral, not to become, when loss or gain of electron is taking place, then ion is formed. So how are they going to become neutral? Neutral they will be when they are atom.
Yeah.
Okay, when they are atom, they are neutral. But when they have lost electron or when they have gained electron, they are no longer neutral. Rather, they are what? Stable now.
Ions.
They are ions and they are stable. Atoms are unstable. Okay. So hydrogen. Hydrogen is having atomic number 1. And what is this electronic configuration? This is the distribution of electron. What is electronic configuration? Tell me, what is electronic configuration?
Distribution of electrons.
Electronic
That
configuration is
distribution of
the distribution of electron in the shell. तो H का atomic number 1 है, तो इसका electron कितना है? 1 है. It is only having 1 electron. So we will put 1 here. क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे 1 लिख देंगे. Now its configuration is only 1. What is its configuration?
1.
1. Helium. Helium का क्या होगा? 2. तो यहाँ पे 2 लिख देंगे. अब लिथियम का 3 है. Then what you will do? K में आप क्या करेंगे?
2
2 और 1.
2 यहाँ पे. अब रेस्ट क्या बचा?
1.
तो 1 जाएगा L
One.
शेल में.
Yes, ma'am.
1 जाएगा L शेल में. बेरिलियम. What you will do? Beryllium.
2 और 2.
2 in K cells and 2 in L cell.
2 in L shell. Now boron.
2 in K cell and 3 in L cell.
2 and 3. Carbon.
2 and 4.
2 and 4.
And 4. Nitrogen.
2 and 5.
2 and 5.
Oxygen.
2 and 6.
Fluorine.
2 and
2 and
7.
2 and 7. ठीक है, you have got this. Fluorine के बाद क्या होता है?
Neon.
नियॉन. नियॉन का कितना होता है? 10. तो क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? 2
2 and 8.
2 and 8.
उसके बाद क्या आता है? सोडियम.
Sodium.
11. तो इसका क्या हो जाएगा?
2,
2,
8,
8,
1.
1.
8, and then in M shell it will be 1. This is how we are distributing the electron. And you can see this is the last shell of lithium, this is the last shell of beryllium. All of them are having what? All of them are having less than and equal to it. What they are having? Less
Less
than or
than
equal to it. Yeah. So whatever is the number of electrons which is present in the last shell, the electrons which is present in the last shell, ये जो पूरा है ये क्या कहलाएगा? What they will be called? They will be called valence electron. What are you going to call them?
Valence electron.
Valence electron. So what is valence electron? What is valence electron? What is valence electron?
The electron present in the outermost shell of an atom of an
Okay,
element.
very good. The आप definition क्या देंगे? Electron present in the outermost shell. जो आखिरी वाला shell है, last shell is called what? Outermost shell. Or you can even say what? Valence shell. आप क्या बोलेंगे? Valence shell और outermost shell. ठीक है? Either they will be called valence shell or they will be called what? Outermost shell. And the electron which is present in the outermost shell or valence shell is called what? Is called what?
Valence electrons.
Valence electron. What are they called? They are called valence electron. So sodium, what is the valence electron of sodium?
1.
1.
Sodium has got one valence electron. Okay. तो यहाँ तक सोडियम तक तो हो गया. अब इसको इरेज करें. सब लोग ने नोट कर लिया है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. सोडियम के बाद क्या होता है? मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, सिलिकॉन, फास्फोरस, सल्फर, क्लोरीन. क्लोरीन के बाद आर्गन.
Argon.
आर्गन के बाद
Potassium.
Potassium.
पोटेशियम के बाद
Calcium.
कैल्शियम. Okay, now let's see what happened. तो मैग्नीशियम का 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay. So K shell. How many electrons will be there in K shell?
2.
2.
2.
उसके बाद
8.
उसके बाद 282 और उसके बाद यहाँ पर क्या होगा? एल्यूमिनियम 13 का
283.
283. उसके बाद
284.
284.
284. Then phosphorus
285.
285. Sulfur
286.
286.
Chlorine,
287.
87.
87. Argon,
288.
288.
88. Potassium,
2881.
881.
881.
अच्छा क्यों ये 2881 आप कैसे बोल रहे हैं बताइए, कैसे बोल रहे हैं 2881? Why you are telling 2881? What is the reason? Why not 289? Why not 289? Why 2881?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
M cell.
because maximum number of electron is 8.
Because in the outermost shell, maximum number of electrons should be 8. It's not exceed more than 8. And this is what? This is the octet rule. This is what?
Octet rule.
Octet rule. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? 2881 होगा. और next क्या होगा?
2882.
882 होगा. अब next क्या होगा? Next में क्या होता है? स्कैंडियम होता है 21. Here's the twist. अब स्कैंडियम में क्या होगा? After calcium, where is the electron to be filled? Where the electron will be filled? Electron will not be filled here. Now, where the electron is going to be filled? It will be filled here in this shell. That is M shell, which is having the capacity of holding how many electrons? 18 electrons.
18.
Okay. Okay, all of you. स्कैंडियम
Yes,
का
ma'am.
क्या हो जाएगा? 2892 होगा. स्कैंडियम का क्या होगा? 2892. क्यों 9 क्यों लिख रहे हैं? क्योंकि एम शेल का तो कैपेसिटी है 18. एम शेल इज हैविंग द कैपेसिटी ऑफ 18 ना.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
फिर ऑक्टेट रूल तो ब्रेक हो जाएगा ना?
Where is the octet rule being break? It is not breaking because in the last shell it will be 2 only. ठीक है, लास्ट शेल में ये 2 एज इट इज रह जाएगा. 2 2 2 2 बट ये वाला फिलअप होते जाएगा. 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 18 and when it will come 18 and 2, when it will come 18 and 2, then अब नेक्स्ट कहां भरेगा? तो नेक्स्ट फिर यहां भरना शुरू हो जाएगा. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
इसको और डिटेल में बताने के लिए आई विल टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. आई विल टीच यू वन मोर थिंग. एसपीडीएफ फॉर्म आई विल टीच यू, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट मोर क्लियरली. ओके, बट नॉट टुडे. ओके क्लास. सो व्हाट इज द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ मैग्नीशियम? What is valence electron?
2.
Of aluminium?
3.
Of silicon?
4.
4. So whatever is the number of electron present in the last shell, this is the last shell. This is the last shell for these elements. For these element up to argon. Last shell is this one. So whatever is the number of electron present in the last shell, that is its what? Valence electron.
Yes, ma'am.
And what else we can know through valence electron? If we know valence electron, what else we can tell about the elements? Can anyone tell me? What else you can tell about the element? Anyone?
Ma'am, it's valency.
Anything else? Anything else which you can say through valence electron? No one. You can tell whether the given element is a metal or a non-metal seeing the valence electron. ठीक है? Any question? How can you tell it? If valence electron is 1, 2 or 3, दिख रहा है या कट रहा है?
मैम कट रहा है।
अब दिख रहा है?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Valence electron is 1, 2 and 3. Then what you will say? They are what? They are metal. ठीक है? If valence electron is 1, 2 and 3, then the given element is what? Metal. If valence electron is 4 to 7, then you will say what they are? They are non-metal. Okay, fine or not?
Yes, ma'am. Fine.
If valence electron is 8, then they are what? They are noble gases.
Yes. Yes.
Are you noting the things? And you know that every class is present in YouTube. आप लोग जान रहे हैं ना, ये सब रिकॉर्ड होता है और YouTube में जाता है. DAV CRRC गया. Do you know
Yes,
this thing?
ma'am.
Do you know this thing?
Yes मैम।
So do you see there again? Watch it or not? आप लोग देखते हैं, दोबारा YouTube देखते हैं अगर नहीं समझ में आता है तो. Tell your friends who are not doing the class, we are recording the class just for those students who are not attending the class because of some reason or the other. So this recording is done especially for those students who are not attending the class, or for those students who are not able to understand once in online class, they can see it repeatedly and they can understand what is being taught. Okay? Okay.
Yes मैम।
So from valence electron, what you can tell, if valence electron is 1, 2, 3, then the given element is a metal. If it is 4 to 7, then it is a non-metal. And if it is 8, then it is noble gases. Now tell me, see the valence electron and tell me which of them are metal and which of them are non-metals. Bolo. What about magnesium?
Magnesium is metal.
Is this one clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So magnesium is what? Magnesium is
Metal.
Metal.
aluminium,
Metal.
Metal.
silicon,
Non-metal.
non-metal, or you can even say they are metalloids also. है ना? सिलिकॉन
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
मेटलॉइड्स की कैटेगरी में भी आता है. फास्फोरस
Non-metal.
नॉन मेटल. सल्फर,
Non-metal.
क्लोरीन. Only one voice is speaking. What about the others? क्लोरीन,
Non-metal.
Non-metal.
आर्गन,
Noble gas.
नोबल गैस.
Noble gas.
पोटेशियम,
Noble
Metal.
gas. Metal.
Noble gas.
मेटल, नॉट नोबल गैस.
Metal
कैल्शियम,
होगा.
कैल्शियम,
Metal.
कैल्शियम
Metal.
होगा, मेटल होगा. Now this thing you have come to know. ये तो आपको समझ में आ गया. अब
Yes, ma'am.
एक चीज और
Yes,
आपको आगे.
ma'am.
One more thing you will come to know through this. The one which is metal, they will lose electron always. ठीक है? The one which is metal will always do what?
Lose electron.
For them losing of electron is easy. For them to lose electron is what? Easy. And for non-metal क्या करेगा? Gain electron. What non-metal will do?
Gain electron.
Non-metal will gain electron. For them gaining is easy. क्योंकि अगर देखो, इधर देखो, लास्ट शेल में अगर 2 है 3 है तो लूज करना आसान है. Isn't it? If in the last
Yes,
shell 2 electron is present, 3 electron is present, it is easy to remove it. It is easy to remove it or lose it. Class?
Yes, ma'am.
But if there is 4, 5, 6, to remove 4, 5, 6 required a lot of energy. So for them, what is easy? To gain 3 electron, to gain 2 electron, to gain 1 electron. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion there?
No, ma'am.
तो ये आप समझ गए हैं. तो अब जब मैग्नीशियम है तो मैग्नीशियम लूज करेगा तो उस पे चार्ज क्या आएगा?
Positive. Positive.
पॉजिटिव कैसे आता है? पता है पॉजिटिव कैसे आता है? डू यू नो हाउ पॉजिटिव कम्स ओवर इट? Magnesium. Okay, I'm taking example of magnesium. Okay, magnesium is 282. Magnesium is what? 282. It is what? It is unstable. It is stable or unstable?
Unstable.
Why it is said to be unstable?
मैम क्योंकि आउटर मोस्ट शेल में ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट नहीं है.
Very good. ये बात सबको पता है? Everybody knows this thing? Everybody knows it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because the outermost shell, when it will contain 8 electrons, what is the game all about? Why atoms are forming ion? Why atoms are forming molecule? Just to become stable, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So magnesium is unstable. Why it is unstable? Because it is having 2 electrons in the outermost shell. So in order to become stable, it has to lose 2 electrons. And because it is a metal, वो है तो क्या है? ये मेटल है और मेटल है तो वो करेगा क्या?
लूज.
क्या करेगा? लूज करेगा. और जब लूज करते हैं कोई भी चीज तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? यहाँ पे माइनस लिखते हैं. क्या लिखते हैं? माइनस. क्या लूज कर रहे हैं? क्या लूज कर रहे हैं?
Electrons.
How many electrons you are losing?
2 electrons.
So you will write 2. You are losing electron. Electron is negatively charged. Electron is negatively charged.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You put an arrow. Mg माइनस माइनस क्या होता है?
Plus.
Plus.
तो 2 प्लस. Mg 2 प्लस बन गया. Mg क्या बन गया? Mg 2 plus.
Mg
Now it is
2 plus.
2,8. Now what it is? It is 2,8. And 2,8 is what? 2,8 is stable.
Yes, ma'am.
एक चीज और देखो, एक चीज और यहाँ पर क्या है? इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड प्रोटॉन. तो in atom, in case of atom, the number of electron is equal to the number of proton.
Yes, ma'am.
तो अगर ये 12 है तो ये भी 12 है. ये 12 है तो ये भी 12 है. ये नेगेटिव है और ये पॉजिटिव है. नेगेटिव इज इक्वल टू पॉजिटिव.
Yes, ma'am.
तो एटम इज व्हाट? एटम इज न्यूट्रल. एटम
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
है? न्यूट्रल. बट यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड प्रोटॉन. इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना हो गया?
10.
10. और प्रोटॉन
12.
ये नेगेटिव और ये पॉजिटिव. विच वन इज मोर?
Proton.
तो ये किसका चार्ज लेगा? चार्ज किसका लेगा?
Yes.
प्लस का ही ना लेगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने आपको दोनों मेथड से समझा दिया. पॉजिटिव क्यों आ रहा है? आप समझ गए हैं या नहीं समझे? इज इट क्लियर?
मैम दोबारा
हाँ बोलो. रोमिता
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए.
यहाँ पे देखो, जब एटम है तो इन केस ऑफ एटम द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन. से यस और नो? Number of electron is equal to the number of proton. Negative and positive charges are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
But when it has become ion, electron is 10 now. After losing the number of 2 electron, it is the total number of electron is 10. And proton is what? 2l. Proton is 2l. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो प्रोटॉन ज्यादा है और इलेक्ट्रॉन कम है, तो जो ज्यादा रहता है चार्ज तो उसी का होता है. मैथ्स पता है ना, मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये पॉजिटिव क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि प्रोटॉन ज्यादा है इसलिए पॉजिटिव चार्ज लिया, ये 2+ हो गया.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any confusion?
No, ma'am.
So aluminium, what will form? Aluminium. What aluminium will form? बोलो, aluminium पे क्या चार्ज आएगा?
Positive.
+3.
कितना पॉजिटिव आएगा? +3 क्यों आएगा? Why it will form +3?
मैम 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन
3+.
यूज करेगा.
3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लूज करेगा. क्यों लूज करेगा 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन?
स्टेबल होने के लिए.
स्टेबल होने के लिए.
स्टेबल होने के लिए. What about oxygen? What about oxygen?
मैम 2 गेन करेगा.
2 गेन
Yes.
करेगा. तो गेन
Gain
करके उस पे क्या चार्ज आएगा? What will be the charge on it?
Minus.
नेगेटिव.
Huh? What will be the
Negative.
charge on it? Tell me.
Negative.
Negative.
What? 2?
Minus.
Minus. And why it is getting minus charge? Why it is getting minus charge?
Because it is gaining.
Second.
It gained 2 electrons.
Because the number of electron is more than the number of proton.
Very good, very good. Because the number of electron is greater than the number of proton. Oxygen, ये और ये ऑक्सीजन 2- होता है. क्यों होता है 2-? क्योंकि जब ये एटम है, इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इक्वल टू प्रोटॉन. इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना है? 8 है. प्रोटॉन कितना है? 8 है.
8.
ये नेगेटिव, ये पॉजिटिव, दोनों न्यूट्रल है, इस पे कोई चार्ज नहीं. बट व्हेन इट हैज फ्रॉम O2-, what has become? Electron 10 and proton is 8. This is negative and this one is positive. तो कितना ज्यादा हो गया? 2. ज्यादा कौन है? माइनस.
2
माइनस चार्ज लेगा ये. और ऐसे भी जब लिखेंगे तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? गेन कर रहा है तो प्लस लिखेंगे. क्या गेन कर रहा है? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन कर रहा है, तो प्लस माइनस क्या? -2. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all
Yes.
for today, class. That's all for today. Any other question you want to ask? Do you have any question? No. Okay, draw Bohr's model. I'm giving you one question. All of you know how to draw Bohr's model?
Yes, ma'am.
तो चलो ड्रॉ करो. तो Bohr's model for magnesium and magnesium ion. Bohr's model for magnesium and magnesium ion.